should listen to Jack McCabe. Listen to that man. He will hook you up with the right things that you would need to protect yourself. And
Jack simply told me that when you put your faith in God, God will protect your money. I believe that. I believe that there's something with this bulletproof trust.
So it's very simple as long as you follow Jack's step-by-step instructions.
I just want to say that I highly recommend that you buy this trust, especially you want to protect all of your assets.
Way beyond the value of what we paid for it. Way beyond.
Yeah,
Way beyond.
it's never been so good to own nothing.
Honor to have this information and to be able to go through every course.
My heartfelt appreciation for the trust and corporate credit package. These two together have been life-changing.
That was just charred. It literally looked like the bottom of a barbecue pit. I opened it and there it was.
Coinbase, I wanted to do all of it, just so I could say, look, anything can be done with this thing.
Thanks, Jack. You're awesome. So like I said, if you're thinking about it, stop thinking. Don't overthink it. Just do it.
And it's for small businesses, for nonprofit.
Right, we have got the 10,000, the first
little bit.
So thank you so much, Liberty Aid Academy. It's really helped me with a lot of things and leverage myself out of this situation.
Why more people aren't doing it, I really don't get it. It's really easy.
Then I got my trust document, and today I went to B of A and got it all set. They reviewed the document, and within an hour I have my account.
And I just had to give it to Jesus Christ.
Continuing grateful back with Jack in school to really help us become fully free and independent in the future.
And Quick deeded those to our Christian trust. And when they recorded it, my real estate taxes come off immediately.
So I was very excited when he started showing us proof, and I'm thank you, Jack, for making sure we all do this.
So if I do get pulled over, I've got obligations to the trust, and I'm a trustee of Jesus Christ.
Out great, and Liberty Aid Academy was an essential part of that.
That it is real. It's not a scam. The only reason that any of this wouldn't work is if you don't follow the direction.
But when you operate through a trust, the trust actually has no tax liabilities.
Thank you, Jack, for everything that you've done. J Baba.
Sign with Jesus Christ. I think you should do it as well too. I don't receive anything from this video.
It was almost too easy. To the point where you're like, is this actually gonna work? And it worked.
But I was blown away by this when we walked into the court.
The proverbial weight on my shoulders has been lifted.
I was very much surprised because it was so simple.
He showed a lot of sincerity. I mean, I don't know. Like I say, you want a brother in the Lord? Jack McCabe's the guy.
nothing control everything. Proof is in the pudding. Thank you, Jack. You're the man.